Tim here from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to pair and connect your Roku remote to the Roku device. So this is very easy. Now you just have to figure out which type of pairing you're going to do. If you flip over the back here and you remove the cover, if there is no pairing button or anything like that, you have to use the back button and the home button here. But if there is a pairing button, you just have to hold that down for 5 to 10 seconds. On this version of the remote, go to the back button and the home button. Just hold this down now with the batteries in, and this little light should appear in the top right here. So let me hold this down. So just hold it down for about 5 to 10 seconds and you can see it's blinking right here. And now this should be connecting back up to your TV. It should say like pairing or something like that. And just press OK a few times and it should pair up to the remote. Just make sure you're close enough to the device, maybe like within 5 to 10 feet. You're in clear visual range, and if it still doesn't connect, you could try taking out the batteries and then trying again and see if it works. It looks like I'm too far away from my TV, but that's how you get into the Bluetooth pairing mode. Press those two buttons, get really close to the device, maybe like 5 to 10 feet, and then it should connect back up, and just tap OK a few times. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.